Okay. You are legend lah. Okay, we go for second question. 1 minute, 1 minute ready. Okay, second question. Eyes are unable to join because I'm not well, nose bleeding. Okay. Diagram 12 shows the use of magnesium block in steel pillar oil rig to prevent rusting. So they asked the question lah. Okay, try to do how the magnesium block protect the pillar from the oil rig from rusting. Okay, 1 minute 13 second. Okay, now diagram 10 shows the dental implant used to replace missing teeth along the characteristic of implant. So they use what? Advanced ceramic lah. Okay, advanced ceramic. Under advanced ceramic, we have a lot of advanced ceramic: alumina ceramic, zirconia ceramic, silicon carbide, tungsten carbide, all that. Which one is best for the dental implant? Okay, 1 minute 5 second. Okay, now alloy X as the following composition. Okay, so tin, antimony, and copper, cuprum. So what is alloy X? Okay, 1 minute 30 second. Ready. Okay, now last question. Diagram 16 shows the reaction of white solid W. So if you see the vertical line going down, this one, okay, is heated. Okay, is heated. You get how many product? I don't know, two product. Okay, when you reacted with nitric acid, got three product. Okay, last question, take calculator. Okay, 1 minute 15 second ready. Okay, last question. Diagram 11 shows the conversation between two peoples, then 0.1 mole Dm negative 3 of sodium hydroxide, the initial volume 100. Okay, so they add distilled water. Okay, they ask the pH value. 1 minute 15 second from now. Okay, 1 minute, another 15 second. Okay, time's up. Okay, kita tengok semua soalan. All of you okay Can Okay, we go for this first question. Okay. Siapa yang ada? Abhishek, what is your answer?
Uh, C, I think.
Okay, you put C. Okay, so we check, eh? Okay, we check the answer. Okay, propene. What is the formula of propane? C3H6 reacted with steam. Steam means water. Okay, this process is called hydration. Okay, pengdihidratan. Okay, when you use hydration, is used to produce what? Alcohol. When you put water, you will get what? Alcohol. What is the functional group of alcohol? Must have COH. So ini tak boleh, this is carboxylic acid tak boleh. Sama ada ini dengan ini saja. Okay, so we check how many OH. So here you take out the H, you take out the OH, join here. So you will get C3H will be 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. You take the OH put here. So it has 1 OH. Okay, satu OH saja, right? So we can put here, okay, all these. So CH3, CH3. Okay, it can be primary alcohol or secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol means they're present at carbon number 1. Secondary alcohol means it's present at carbon number 2. Also can. So answer will be B. Siapa letak B angkat tangan? Ada seorang pun. Okay, ada. Okay, Nikhil. Very good. Okay, now we go for this question. Nikhil, give me the answer.
Sir, I put the answer A, sir.
Okay, very good. We put check, we check the answer. Okay, when oil rig, this is under rusting. Okay, and please remember zinc metal or magnesium metal is known as what? More electropositive metal. They act as what we call sacrificial metal. They will undergo what reaction? Oxidation. So here oxidation of equation will be what? You take the magnesium atom, okay, will undergo oxidation, Mg2 positive plus 2 electron. This prevent iron, which are the steel, and the steel is made up of iron, right? Okay, iron from get rusting. So benda ni tak berlaku. So is rusting prevented. So magnesium block is sacrificial metal. Okay, easier to undergo oxidation. Easy. Okay, sangat senang. Jangan salah. Okay, can I? Okay, next question. Madhuri, give me the answer.
Sorry, sir, I just came here because
Okay, Inman.
I
Okay,
had
it's okay.
another class.
It's, it's okay, it's okay. Inman, give me the answer.
So I'm sorry, I also just came.
Okay, Kitty, give me the answer. Hi, Kitty. Okay, tak apa. Abhishek, Amirul, give me the
C,
answer.
C.
C. Okay, very good. Okay, and please remember this one. If let's say cutting tool, they put cutting tool. Cutting tool, that means the one cutting this, or they put brake. Okay, brake disc. Okay, when they put cutting tool or brake disc, your answer silicon carbide. Okay, if they put diamond, okay, diamond cutting. Okay, diamond cutting will be WC, tungsten carbide. Okay, can I? If let's say this one, okay, the dental implant, or they put what ceramic knife. Okay, so that will be zirconia oxide or zirconia lah. Okay, zirconia, and this is zirconia is what? Chemically inert. Okay, chemically inert, and one more art. Okay, and also you can put strong. Okay, so that's why we can use as a dental implantation. I'm using my sister laptop, so doesn't am I mic doesn't work. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so your answer C. Okay, well done. Okay, now we go for this question. Trishana, give me the answer. Hi, Trishana. Auni, give me the answer. Abhishek, Adi Anman. Sorry, Adi Anman, give me the
Huh?
answer. Adi Anman, Adi Anman.
A, yes, A,
A, A or B?
A,
I think C lah. Correct ah?
I don't know.
Confident with the answer lah.
A.
Okay, guys, remember this one, brass. Okay, I start with simple one. Okay, remember 4 or 5 ni lah, bronze. Okay, every year they test bronze, you know. Mana tahu dia akan cuba buat kelirukan kamu, benda yang tak diuji ditanya balik. Brass, bronze and brass. Copper, when you see here zinc kan, sini nampak Z kan, you letak SN. It's made up of tin. When brass, okay, musical instrument, copper, plus when you see S, okay, tukar dia punya ni, so you all put what? Zinc. Okay, can I? So number two, memorize already, right? One more, steel. Steel, iron plus carbon. Another one, please remember, stainless steel. Stainless steel is only you take this one, put here, iron plus carbon plus nickel plus chromium. Okay, dapat? Okay, one more SN. So I put here SN plus SB. SB is antimony plus copper. This will be under pewter. Okay, pewter. Pewter is used to make souvenir. So answer A. Well done. Okay, very good. Okay, can I? Any question? So kamu kena ingat 4 atau 5. One more duralumin also remember lah. Can I? Okay, duralumin dah banyak kali keluar. Yang ni yang belum keluar lagi. Okay, can I? Okay, and next one. Amirul, answer.
A ke B sir?
A ke B? Confident dengan jawapan lah. Just A ke B, Amirul? Tengok at the end dia tembak je.
A ke?
A kot. Okay, so I put A lah. Kita tengok. Okay, your starting point should be here. Pemanasan. This is your starting point. When you take A, heated, okay, you dapat satu produk. Okay, when you dapat one product and another product, two product. Dapat two products, so you guys put this is what? Metal carbonate. Y'all just letak ini adalah metal carbonate. Any question? Y'all put Dani metal carbonate. If you see here the solid solid W heated dapat satu produk, dua produk. If three product, metal nitrate. If two product, you guys just put what? Metal carbonate. Any question? Okay, metal carbonate when reacted with acid, you will get salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So guess why is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. The metal oxide when zinc oxide, dia panas, dia yellow. Kalau disejukkan dia akan jadi okay white color. That means the metal W is known as zinc carbonate. So zinc carbonate, okay. So zinc carbonate, okay kita tengok ada tak zinc carbonate. Okay, this one zinc nitrate, okay zinc nitrate. And this one zinc oxide. So Z is zinc oxide. So the answer B. Okay, faham tak? All of you understand? Understand, eh? Okay, we go for last question. Arwin, give me the answer.
Sir. A, sir.
A. So answer A. We check, eh? Okay, when they put 0.1 mole DM negative 3 of 100 cm power 3. So this is your M1 molarity before add water, eh? This is your volume 1. They add water. Bila they'll add water, first step y'all buat dilution. Bila add water saja, you must write down the formula of the dilution. When add water, what is the formula of dilution? M1 V1, molarity before add water, volume before add water, molarity after add water, and volume after add water. So the molarity before you add water 0.1, volume before add water is 100, molarity after add water we don't know, and total water solution. Berapa total solution? 100 plus 900. Kita ada 100, 900 sini, sini 100, right? So 1000 lah. So you try to find the M2. Anyone can give me the answer M2? Arwin, what is the answer M2? 0.02. Sorry, 0. Okay, you guys will get 0.01 mole dm negative 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. So
Yes.
you already find this is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So ini adalah molarity lepas at water. So you guys already got one step sudah buat. Okay, next step, when this is alkaline, jangan pergi guna pH punya formula. So this is alkali, right? You use the formula of POH. POH negative log the concentration of hydroxide ion. Di sini kan kamu tengok berapa hydroxide ion? Satu kan? Kalau satu, satu. Kalau dua, dua kali So here one, right? So you put here 0.01. You guys will get 2. Correct? Correct 2 Okay, jangan pergi pilih 2. Salah. So this is POH. They want the pH. How to get the pH? pH plus POH equivalent to 14. So you apply here. So you want to get the pH value plus this one 2, right? You put here equivalent to 14. So pH is what? 14 minus 2. You guys will get 12. So the answer 12. Any question? Any question? No question. So we already finished our 5 objective questions. So every day do 5 objective question. Okay, now that day I stop until page 19. I try to finish up until isomerism hari ni Kalau boleh, the next week we finish up this whole chapter. Okay, all of you ready? Okay, so page number 19. Go to page number 19 Okay, alkene, you guys already know, we already learned all this, we already learned all this. Dan. Semua dah ni habis. Ini belum lagi. Okay, can Okay, before we go for alkene, I want y'all to do one question. Can polymerization. Okay, if let's say in the exam they put like this. Okay, I put they put pentene. Pentene molecules combine together in the repeating sequences form. Okay, they put form long chain polymer. So first question, what is the name of the reaction? What is the name of the reaction? When you see a pentene, so I put here, I padam ni, tengok very easy. When they put pentene molecules, that means one pentene, another pentene, another pentene. We don't know how many molecules. They combine in repeating sequences, form long chain. This is called what reaction? Your answer should be addition polymerization. You get 1 mark. Any question? Okay, I give you 1 minute to do equation. Try to do the equation. 1 minute from now. Siapa dah siap boleh angkat tangan Very good. Nikhil, you want to put the answer? You can share the answer to me.
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Oh, keep. Okay, time's up. Okay. No mind, it's okay, Nikhil. Later you share lah. Okay, y'all see how to do this. Siapa tak tahu buat? Okay, tolong fokus First step, y'all do what? Y'all write down the pentene. Pentene belongs to homologous series alkene. Write down the general formula CnH2n. Jangan buat equation dulu. Apply. Pent means apply N5. Okay, 5. Pentagon 5, right? So you will get C5H will be 10. Okay, Nikhil already sent the answer. Okay. Wrong lah, Nikhil. It's okay. Okay, y'all see, addition polymerization. That day we got do, right? Okay, before you do the answer, okay, practice like this. Okay, after that, try to look case. Okay, so I have 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, right? And the pentene means pent 1-ene. The double bond start after carbon number 1. Okay, this is carbon number 1. You put the double bond. Each carbon mesti ada 4 bonding. Only 4 bonding, 4 line only. So you guys do like this lah. Okay. Dapatkan macam ni dulu. Draw the structural formula. Okay. Any question? Okay. Now all these you already got right. Now I want to do the answer here. Di sini So what I do, I cut the C double bond. This one. Okay. Addition polymerization mesti ada macam ni. C double bond atas bawah atas bawah. Okay, can Okay, then y'all put N. We don't know how many number of molecules, so we put N. Dapat? Okay, now y'all check here. Here got how many bonding? 1 bonding, 2 bonding, 3, 4, right? Okay, can So H ini, I put at the top. Okay, this H, I put at the down. Okay, can Okay, now this one, this H. Okay, I put at the top. You want to put at the down also can, top also can. Okay, and you all see this bonding, right? After this bonding got a lot of chain, right? Simplify this as C3, H will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So simplify as C3H7. So you all put C3H7 like this. So you already got the answer. So once you already do this, what you all do after addition polymerization, a lot of monomers, they will combine together and form a long chain. You no need to show the long chain. Just buka kurungan, tutup kurungan, take this end, put at the bottom, draw the same structure but double bond, break, make it single bond. Like this, C3H7, you draw one ombak like this, you take your 2 marks. Any question? Any question? Siapa dapat jawapan macam ni? Angkat tangan. Hey, I give 1 minute, to do this. Okay, any questions so far? No, So this is called addition polymerization. This compound is called pentene. This is called ambil semua letak di sini. Polypentene. Okay, any question? Okay. You will relearn these things in chapter 4 later. All right. Okay, okay. So now we go for today's session. So today we got another reaction. Belum belajar lagi. We call oxidation of alkene. When alkene compound undergo oxidation, you need this agent, acidified potassium manganate 7. Bila dia dah letak acidify, when they ask you to do the formula, please put hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion slash KMNO4. What is the observation? Purple color solution turns colorless. Page 19. Okay, and it can be replaced with or substitute with another substance mesti ada H positive K2Cr2O7. Acidify potassium dichromate 6. Orange turns into green. Dapat? Okay, you guys will get diol. I already do one example. We do another example. Tengok cara nak buat. Okay, ini hafal sajalah. Propane C3H6. Kena? You must add okay, symbol of oxidation. Symbol of oxidation ni dia ada banyak O kan? Dia akan bagi O lah. Itu je. Okay, plus you must add water. In the exam, diorang takkan bagi tahu water. You must add water. So what you guys will get, ini kan pecah H, OH kan. Ini satu O join ada dua OH. So what y'all do, you take this compound, you write here C3H6. We got 1O, 2O, right? Open bracket, close bracket, put OH. We got 1O, 2O, right? So you put 2O. That's all. Any question? Okay, so I repeat again, H, O, H. So this O, okay, this O, right, join here. Dapat? Kita ada dua O, right? Kalau dua O, saya mesti buat bracket. Ambil struktur ni, tulis sini. So you open bracket, OH, close the bracket. How many O? 1, 2, right? Put 2. Sir, you going very fast. I still cannot understand all this. If let's say they put butene, undergo okay, acidify potassium manganate 7 in the presence of acidify potassium manganate 7, you get compound X. They put compound, okay, X. They ask you to write down the equation. So what you guys do, what is the name of the reaction? Just put oxidation. Once you see this, just put oxidation, take your 1 mark. Any question? No question. Okay, number 2, if they ask what is the observation, cannot get wrong. So you put what? Purple turns to what color? Turns colorless. Any question? No question, right? Okay, and if they ask equation, what is the formula of butene? Butene C4H will be 8. Sir, I don't know why you're going very fast. So here you put alkene. What is the general formula of alkene? CnH2n. Understand? Butene means apply N4. Once you apply N4, you will get this structure. Okay, nah? Then you all put the symbol of oxidation and mesti letak water H2O. What product you guys will get? Ambil ini, tulis sini C4H8. Okay, dapat? Okay, water will break HOH. This O will join one more OH. We call diol. Okay, so you do what? Open bracket, write down OH, close the bracket, 1, 2, right? So you all just put 2. That's all. No need to balance the equation. Okay, you guys already scored 2 marks. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, I give you 1 minute to copy down this. So, alkene compound semua dah habis. Okay, kena kita buat satu soalan. Adi Edmund, you understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay, you can teach everyone lah in the class. Those don't know means you all look for Adi Edmund. Bila nak jumpa, bawa pen. Dia ada masalah ni, bawa pen. Adi Edmund, your close buddy is who?
Close buddy.
In school.
Bye.
No, Sam. Okay, after this you teach Sam. Baik already pandai. Okay, done. Okay, okay. This one we already go through. I asked you all to do, so hope you all can do lah. Okay, now we try to answer essay question. Every year essay question, this year carbon compound confirm essay question and very easy to score. So make sure carbon compound keluar, you pilih carbon compound, you try to answer everything, you get your full mark. Okay, kalau you buat betul-betul 20 over 20 you can get. And this year carbon compound should be in section C. The last question they ask you to describe experiment on preparation of assay. Okay, kita cuba buat benda ni. Okay, I don't know what compound is this. Okay, all the arrow coming out from here. That means you must know what is this compound. Can I? Okay, so from here, I already know polyethylene. Polyethylene. This is called what reaction? Addition. Okay, addition polymerization. Addition polymerization. From here, I already know this compound is ethene. Ethene, what formula? C2H4. Dapat? When reacted with steam, H2O, this reaction is called, what reaction is called? Hydration, preparation of alcohol. You tambah air. Okay, you add water, we call any hydration. Remove water, we call dehydration. That means dehydration of alkene will produce alcohol. Okay, what is the name of the alcohol? C2H4. You tambah H, tambah OH. H ni tambah sini. Tambah sini So you get C2H5OH. So you guys already got all the information. Ini semua padam. Okay, kan Under this hydration, we need catalyst concentrated phosphoric acid. 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Tak boleh lupa. Mesti ingat. Okay, any question? No question. So I want to get 4 marks now. Identify reaction 1, reaction 2, state the homologous series of compound P and Q. So I go and put here number 1, okay, reaction 1. So I go and check reaction 1. What is the name of the reaction 1? Straight to the answer. Jangan goreng-goreng semua. Addition polymerization. You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, next I go for reaction 2. Reaction 2, you guys already know hydration, right? So you all put hydration, preparation of alcohol. You guys already score 2 marks. Okay, now they want the homologous series of compound P and Q. So you all put like this, compound, okay, P homologous series is belongs to what homologous series? Kalau homologous series, alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, okay, carboxylic acid, ester. So this is belongs to ethene, right? Ethene, alkene, right? You all put alkene, satu markah. Saya sudah skor 4 markah. Oh, sorry, 3 markah. Then I go to compound Q. Compound Q is belongs to alcohol, right? So I put alcohol. I already score 4 marks. So saya dah ambil semua markah. Tahniah kamu semua. Okay, any question? Okay, now I want to get the 2 marks. Okay, name compound P and Q, 2 marks. Okay, so you already do all the finding here, right? Right. So compound P. So I put here question number what? You must put the question number. Question number 2. So I put question number 2. I write down compound P. Compound P, they want the name right. So ethene. 1 mark. Okay. Then you want to find the compound Q, right? Compound Q, you see here, you already write this. Okay. Alcohol. Okay. This is ethene. Ethene will undergo hydration and form ethanol. So I put here ethanol. I already score my 6 marks. Any question? Markah ke-6. Okay, can Okay, so now I go to do question number 3. Question number 3, this one repeated, So no need to do lah. So here kita deduct 4 markah. Write the chemical equation for reaction 1 and reaction 2. So I put here, okay, question number 3. So I put reaction 1. Reaction 1, I go and check. Reaction 1, addition polymerization ethene. Okay, saya bagi 1 minit untuk kamu cuba. Okay, ethene undergo addition polymerization. Okay, that day I asked you to do this as homework, right? Siapa dah buat, angkat tangan? Siapa pun tak buat? Okay, sekarang buat. Okay, do the equation for reaction 1. Tadi saya dah buat satu example, right? That day I got do 2 example. Now this is fourth example. So ni lepas ni tak boleh ada masalah. Okay, if you all don't know means you all let me know. I will do few more example. Okay, 1 minit untuk kamu cuba. Write the chemical equation for reaction 1. So can check my answer. Reaction 1. What's this? Wrong. Okay. Reaction 1 wrong. Reaction 2 correct. So that means you score 2 marks. Okay. The question number 4 full mark. So sorry, my internet so keep lagging. I'm okay. Okay, can Diana. Okay, we do y'all still don't understand. Y'all masih stick kepada soalan yang ni. Ada pelajar dia tulis jawapan ini. Salah ni. This is oxidation. Oxidation means you tulis oxidation punya equation. This reaction, y'all see first. They already put polyethene, you know. Polyethene means this is called what reaction? Understand the concept first. Jangan main salin apa yang kita buat tadi punya. Addition, polymerization. Addition, polymerization, here ethene, right? You take the ethene, put here. Okay, after you put ethene, ethene belongs to what homologous series? Alkene. What is the general formula? CnH2n. I need to apply N berapa? Ethene means meth. Okay, I put here N1 we call meth. N2 we call eth. N3 we call prop. Okay, N4 we call boot. Please memorize this. Okay, you apply N2. So that means the molecular formula C2H4, right? Jangan pergi tulis benda-benda yang salah. Okay, can I? Before you write the answer, you write down here C2H4. Boleh? Lepas tu you draw the structural formula C double bond. Got 2 C, right? So C double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini adalah dia punya structural formula. After you do the structural formula, you want to do the any chemical equation for addition polymerization, you kena letak macam ni. C double bond, atas, bawah, atas, bawah. Then you put N. N tada, 0 mark. Okay, dapat? Okay, now this H I put at the top. This H I put at the bottom. This H I put at the top. This H I bring down. Make sure the side here empty. Okay, because one more another monomer will come and combine together. You kena dapat sampai sini saja. The rest is easy. After that, you do what? Open bracket, close bracket. Okay, write down everything but double bond, break single bond. Yang lain semua sama. Exactly same like this. Okay, then you put the N. Put this N here. Can I? Kena letak. Then after that, the last part, you all draw one ombak like this. You take your 2 marks. Any question? Ada yang hantar? Siapa? Okay. Ini siapa yang buat ni? Madhuri. Madhuri, very good. Well done. You dapat buat betul. Okay. So, I hope you all understand the concept we know. Very easy. If you practice, you do hands-on, is very easy. Kalau you tengok saja, tak boleh dapat. Siapa yang dapat jawapan ni betul? Angkat tangan. Angkat tangan. Okay, Arwin dapat. Okay, 2% dapat. 2 orang je, yang lain cuba dapatkan Okay, now I go for reaction, okay, 3 orang. Reaction number 2. Okay, then you go and check. It's very easy, no? You practice, you dapat. Very easy. Okay, see, reaction number 2. Now your mata focus reaction number 2. Okay, reaction number 2, eating steam means what? Wap air. Okay, wap air. So this reaction is known as hydration. They want the equation. They want equation all, not condition all. So you put your C2H4 reacted with steam. What product you guys will get? Take out the water. Pecah HOH. Dapat C2H4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Take the OH, put behind. Take your 2 marks. Any question? This is ethanol. Okay, sudah dapat? Okay, can So I think most of you dapat lah. Okay, now I go for last question. State the condition required for reaction number 2. Reaction number 2 where? Tengok ni. Mata reaction number 2. This one, the condition they needed. Okay, so the condition, so I put here question number 1. Question number 4. So I put question number 4. Okay, so the condition required straight away put. We need concentrated phosphoric acid. Concentrated phosphoric acid. So temperature 300 degrees Celsius. You all remember satu pusingan lengkap. 300 degrees Celsius. Pressure 60 atm. Okay. So in the SPM, they need only one. Sama ada kamu tulis ini sahaja. Sama ada kamu tulis ini saja. You dapat 1 mark. Or you write down ini sahaja. Okay, this one. Ini tak tulis. Okay, mana-mana satu. But now I want y'all to write down both. Okay, all. Can So in the exam, you write 1, you dapat markah. Okay, any question? Okay, so this short essay question, so shouldn't be problem. Okay, now we go for, all of you understand, Okay, now we go for today's lesson, alcohol. Okay, alcohol, very interesting part. Dia ada 3 reaction. Okay, so remember, I do here, alkane got 2 reaction. Okay, number 1, we call combustion. Number 2, we call substitution. Alkene, we got total 7 reaction. Number 1, combustion. Number 2, hydrogenation, hydration, halogenation, addition of hydrogen alide, okay, oxidation, okay, and last one, addition polymerization, 7. Okay, alcohol, 3, DOC. Okay, dehydration, oxidation, and combustion. Can combustion. And carboxylic acid got 2. That's all, settled. Okay, again. Okay, so we go for alcohol. So the alcohol, what is the general formula of alcohol? CN H2N plus 1 OH. What is the functional group of alcohol? Yoram boleh tulis macam ni. Bila tulis, jangan tulis macam ni sudah salah. Tak boleh tulis macam ni. This one wrong. You must put COH baru betul. Any question? No question. Okay, alcohol, I want y'all to remember 2 things. Okay, number 1, preparation. Number 2, chemical reaction. Preparation got 2 method, This one is laboratory method. Okay, in laboratory method, you want to prepare alcohol. What is the name of the reaction? Fermentation. This method is called industrial method. Industrial. In industry, okay, I put here. Okay, in industry, you want to prepare various alcohol with very fast, okay, and very effective way, hydration. Hydration means you take alkene reacted with steam in the presence of concentrated phosphoric acid 360. That means 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. You will get various alcohol. Any question? So we finish up these 2 first, then we go for chemical reaction. Okay, number 1. Okay, lab preparation of alcohol. If they ask laboratory method, so your answer fermentation, proses penapaian, suatu markah. In raw material that we use in preparation of alcohol in laboratory, glucose, pineapple, okay, fruit ataupun kulit buah-buahan yang telah dikupas, direndamkan dengan air. Okay, after 1 day, we take the water, we can do fermentation process also. Okay, peel of fruit, rice water, all these C6H12O6, all these glucose. Understand? 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 Semua ni ada glucose. Okay, what is the formula of glucose? C6H, okay, 12O6. Understand? Write down. Okay, condition required. Presence of yeast. Yeast will produce zymase enzyme. What is the enzyme? Zymase. Ini kena hafal. Any question? Any question? No question, Okay, and the word form equation, remember this is example of anaerobic reaction. Anaerobic reaction means in bio, you guys already learned, right? The oxidation of glucose without presence of oxygen. Without oxygen. So what is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. Arrow. Tak perlu ada oxygen. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH. The microorganism will produce carbon dioxide, or living things will release carbon dioxide after cellular respiration. Any question? Any question? No question. So how to balance this equation? Very simple. All of you understand, Ingat, wajib hafal, benda ni, Okay, so I give you time to copy down this and try to balance this equation. If you want to balance the equation, very simple. Calculate total hydrogen on your right hand side. Okay, copy ready. So if you want to balance the equation, kira hydrogen, we have total 6 hydrogen. Here we have total 12 hydrogen. So balance by putting 2. So 6 times 2, 12. So hydrogen already balanced. Any question? No question, Okay, now y'all balance carbon. Carbon 6, right? Here 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so you going very fast, I don't understand. Hydrogen berapa di sini? 5 tambah 1, 6. 6 darab 2, you already got 12. Here hydrogen already 12. Any question? Okay, now carbon. Carbon here 6, right? Here carbon berapa? 4. Okay, tambah 2, already 6. Oxygen balance itself. 6, oxygen di sini 2. Okay, tambah sini 4, total 6. Any question? Any question? No question, So, understand, But this reaction is slow reaction, Dia tak sesuai untuk menghasilkan, okay, banyak jenis ni, tak sesuai untuk industri. Why is not suitable? Akan ditanya dalam exam. Kalau ditanya dalam exam, why this reaction is not suitable for industry, you bagi tahu is a slow reaction. 1 markah. And is only produce one type of alcohol. Dalam ni dapat ethanol saja. If you want to produce methanol, tak boleh. If you want to produce propanol, tak boleh. Okay, can So this reaction is not recommended for industrial purpose because it's a slow reaction and produce one type of reaction ni, alcohol ni, one type of alcohol, which is ethanol. Okay, kena hafal benda ni, Okay, in industry, what is the name of the reaction? Answer, hydration. In hydration, what condition needed? We need catalyst. What is the name of the catalyst? Concentrated phosphoric acid. Other condition, we need 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Saya dah ulang banyak kali dah. Okay, so must remember. Okay, write down these two equation. 1 minit dari sekarang. Okay, what is the advantage of this reaction? Kalau ditanya dalam exam, faster, more efficient, suitable for large scale production of various alcohol. You boleh letak di sini various alcohol. Ini pun kena hafal. Okay, so 1 minute to you all to finish up these 2 questions. I notice some of you don't want to use this school holiday. Some of you still going for holidays all. Okay, some of you I check ada yang hantar gambar dekat saya. You all doing studying, revision all. This school, this June holiday is very very important. This holiday ni 2 minggu holiday ni you must do revision, especially Form 4 chapter. Okay, I nampak ada yang macam tak serius. Okay, pergi sana, pergi sini. Okay, saya harap you all understand lah. Nanti you akan struggle. Okay, Amirul, you ada buat tak revision?
Ada, sir.
Ada, ada, bagus. Okay, make use of this 2 weeks holiday, Jangan pergi sana, lepak sini, lepak sana. 1 hari okey lah, 1 hari, 2 hari okey. Lepas SPM you nak pergi mana, pergilah. Amirul, lepas SPM you pergilah Korea ke. Okay. Okay. Adian, after SPM you plan to do what?
Kerja.
Kerja, tak payah. First day you tidur 24 jam. Okay?
Betul, sir.
Kena.
Betul. Bukan 1
Ah.
hari, 5 hari.
5 hari tidur. Second day you throw all your pen. Okay? Or you do what? Donation. Okay? You know what I do after I finish my last paper, biology? After I finish my last paper, I go and round, that is last paper, I go round, I collect all the pen, okay, all the calculator, okay, all the students, that time, they will throw, all the calculator, pen, eraser, mechanical pencil, all that I collect. After I collect, then I go this one pusat pusat kanak-kanak dekat Ipoh. So I go and donate to them. So I hope you all do lah like that. After finish SPM, you all collect. Ambil bakul, collect apa pen ke, okay, pencil ke, collect all the books. Then you can do donation. Okay, then balik tidur. Okay, propene. So what is the formula of propene? C3H6 reacted with steam, water. You guys will get C3H7OH, propanol. Okay, butene, C4H8. Okay, so reacted with water, you guys will get what? C4H will be year 8, right? Tambah 1. Still don't know means do break like this. Tambah 1, 9 OH. Siapa dapat macam ni? 2 markah. Tanya. Okay, any question? Okay, preparation, no problem, right? Okay, now I go for the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction kita start dengan simple dulu Yang paling susah ni. Okay, paling bukan susah lah, senang. Okay, this one easy. Okay, this one easy. Okay, we start with combustion of alcohol. Okay, combustion of alcohol. I put here, if you take alcohol, okay, reacted with excess of oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide and water. This combustion is called clean fuel. Clean fuel. Alcohol is called clean fuel. It will burn with what? Blue color flame. Okay, blue color flame, it has very less soot. Soot is black powdery substance. Kena hafal Okay, we go with first one, combustion of alcohol. Combustion of alcohol, you kena jaga-jaga sikit tau. Apa you kena jaga? Di sini ada satu O. You must include this O. Okay, can So I already do one example. So you all try to do the second one. Okay, can Alcohol. What is the general formula? Tuliskan di sini. CnH2n plus 1OH. Okay, burn to produce carbon dioxide and water. This produce clean blue flame. Blue color flame and no soot. No soot means it's a black, okay, powdery. We call powdery substance. Okay, yang mana dia boleh melekat pada the cooking pot all. Okay, can So di sini alcohol is a very clean fuel. Okay, now we try to do propanol. Okay, propanol you guys do Okay, I give you 1 minute to do propanol and butanol. Kita buat dua ni je, yang lain you buat sebagai homework. Okay, I give 1 minute, 1 minute. Inman, you doing right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. Check first one. C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7. OH burn in the presence of oxygen. You guys will get carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, balancing out to balance carbon 3. I put carbon 3. Then I balance hydrogen 7 plus 1, 8. So here I put 4 times 2, 8. Now I calculate my total oxygen at my right hand side. Okay, so sini ada 6. Okay, sini ada 4, total 10. Okay, any question so far? Total 10, right? So how to get total 10 on your left hand side? Here I already got 1, So 1 plus 9 will be 10. So here you should get 9, Okay, here you guys should get 9. So 9 over 2. Later you guys remove the fraction. Siapa dapat jawapan macam ni? Okay, very good. You want to get the answer, the perfect answer, very simple. Ini ada 2, right? Semua darab 2. 2. Okay. Ini 6. Ini you guys do what? 8. What y'all do? Erase the fraction. Put 9 times 2. Okay. 902. Sudah dapat markah. Any question? Okay. Do butanol now. Check the answer. Butanol N4. Okay, C4H will be, okay, tak tahu buat macam ni. CN H2N plus 1 OH apply here. C4 H8 tambah 19, right? 9 OH burn in the presence of oxygen. You guys will get what? Carbon dioxide plus water. Balance carbon first. Carbon di sini berapa? 4, right? So you guys put 4. Okay, hydrogen 9 plus 1, 10, right? 5 times 2, 10. Okay, after you guys do this, balance the calculate total oxygen present at the right side of the equation. So oxygen di sini 4 darab 2, 8. Here 5. Total you guys get 13. Okay, so how to get 13 oxygen? This one, right? 1 plus 12, you guys will get 13. So how to get 12 here? 6 darab 2. Okay, now you calculate again. So here got 1. So I put 1. Okay, 1. Here got 6. Okay, times 2, 12. Total 13. So 13, 13. Siapa dapat jawapan ni? Tanya. Any question? So the combustion of alcohol sudah habis. Okay, now we go for D. Okay, D ini buat sebagai latihan all of you Okay, now we go for dehydration. This is very important experiment, you know. Okay, so what is dehydration? If let's say I take alkene, write down this alkene, okay, reacted with water, you guys will get what? You guys will get alcohol. Okay, you guys will get alcohol, right? Okay, what is the name of this process? This process is called hydration. You add steam. Okay, the reverse process from alcohol, okay, you dapat water and alkene is called what? Dehydration, removal of water. Any question? Any question? Okay, copy down this. Can I? Okay, now y'all put here alcohol. Okay, when you remove water, you will get what? You will get alkene plus water. And this process is called what? Removal of water. In this process, you need aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide is a porcelain chip, you know. Okay, bila dia bagi macam ni, tengok sini Okay, porcelain chip, please remember Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Dia punya fungsi dehydrating agent, absorb water. Okay, glass wool, okay, soak with ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH. Dapat? C2H5OH. Dapat? Ini formula ni salah. Ini padam. Okay, formula dia. What is the condition porcelain chip? What is the formula of porcelain chip? Al2O3. Dapat? Or we can replace or substitute with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. Because sulfuric acid akan cari water. Can I? Can I? Okay, how to do this equation? We do together. Okay, C2H5OH. Terus letak arrow. Kena the reverse. Kamu tengok alcohol terus bagi alkene alcohol. Ni water. So you guys do what? Remove water. HOH. So how to remove the water? Then you guys put the water here. Once you remove, you put water here. Then you do what? C2H. Ini C2 right? H5 tolak 1. 4. C2H5. Sorry, H4. Okay, you guys put like this lah. Any question? So you're going very fast. I don't understand. If let's say I take C3H7OH, this is called propanol. Propanol, okay, they put Al2O3, ether. This reaction is called what? Dehydration. Once you guys see Al2O3 dehydration, so removal of water. Removal of water, kamu letak di sini tolak HOH. Lepas tolak HOH, y'all put this water, you guys put here, water. Dapat? Can So macam mana nak tolak? C3H7OH, y'all tolak HOH, right? Ini tolak. Okay, ini kan kamu dapat apa? C3H berapa? 7 minus 1, 6, right? So you guys put here C3H6. That's all. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, can I? Okay, all of you understand? Understand? So ini semua sepadam. Okay, now you all already got this right. And please remember they asked this right. Okay, the product 18 right. So what is the name of the gas? So the name of the gas is called ethene gas. Why, sir, you put gas? Because alkene, must remember this, alkene N2, N3, N4. All these exist as colorless gas. Kalau butanol, ethanol will give you ethene gas. Understand? Colorless gas. So they ask what is the name of the gas. So you all put here ethene gas. Any question? Any question? Any question? No question, eh? Okay, now one more. You already got the ethene gas, right? Ini adalah saya padam ni semua. Ini semua saya padam. Okay, one more question they will ask. You already got the ethene gas C2H4. They will ask you to describe a test. Okay, so what is the test to show the presence of gas X? Very simple. What you all do here, dalam test tube ini, dalam test tube ni, kamu letak what solution? Bromine solution. Br2 solution. What is the color of bromine solution? Brown color, right? You bubble the gas or you direct the gas. What is the gas? C2H4 into the test tube containing brown bromine solution. The brown bromine solution will turn into what? Into colorless. Confirm the presence of ethene gas. Okay, ini adalah test untuk alkene. So how to do this? Okay, once you already got ethene gas C2H4, right? Kalau dia minta describe the test, y'all just put bubble the colorless gas, gas X. Okay, or you can put the ethene gas, okay, into a test tube containing what solution? Containing bromine solution. You guys already score 1 mark. This is point number 1. So what will happen to the bromine solution? This is halogenation reaction. So the brown bromine solution will turns what color? Turns colorless. You guys already score another marks. Any question? Any question? So ini wajib hafal, okay. Amirul understand? All understand, Nikhil understand? Abhishek understand?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, can Okay, copy down this. We go for next part. Kalau hari ni tak boleh habis isomerism, I will do next week one class, next week. Okay, if done, okay, we go for next one. Okay, next reaction. Ini saya minta kamu fokus lah, kena. Oxidation of alcohol. Once finished, we do this question. Okay, oxidation of alcohol. Alcohol can be oxidized to next homologous series, carboxylic acid. Okay, kena ingat. Oxidation. So alcohol when oxidized, it will give you carboxylic acid. Tapi carboxylic acid ada satu masalah tau. Apa masalah? You kena ingat CN H2N plus 1 COOH. Diorang sudah bagi satu C dalam compound ni. Satu C. They already add 1 C in the compound. That means in the compound, they already have 1 carbon. Okay, ini kamu kena understand. Okay, so what you must understand, in the oxidation of alcohol, they will use acidified potassium manganese 7. Purple color solution turns what? Colorless. Orange, kalau tak ada, kita guna acidified potassium dichromate 6. Orange turns to what color? Green color. So what you should understand? Okay, kita tengok Okay, kalau alkohol di sini kan, kamu tengok di sini ada satu carbon sahaja. Carboxylic acid dia sudah tambah satu carbon di sini. That means kalau sini N1, sini N mesti kosong. Tolak satu. Kalau ini N2, okay, N2, this one N1 because they already have 1 carbon. So I don't understand what you're talking. Okay, I don't understand at all. We do this one. Ethanol N2. You apply N2 here. C2 H4 plus 1 5 OH. Okay, kalau you ambil N2 di sini, kalau di sini 2, di sini pun 2, salah tau. Okay, kita cuba apply 2. Sini C2. H will be 4 plus 1, 5. COOH. Kamu tengok berapa N di sini? 2 tambah 1, 3. So this compound wrong. Understand? So what you must do when alcohol N1, okay, carboxylic acid, you mesti tolak 1. So tolak 1, you apply N1. N1, so C1, H2 times 1 plus 1, COOH, you guys will get what? Okay, you guys will get this formula, CH3COOH. When you calculate 1 plus 1, 2. Ia pun 2. Understand? Understand? Sir, I still don't understand. So you check here. Methanol when apply N1. Mana kena apply? You apply here. CH3OH. Once you apply. Okay. Siapa yang masih tak tahu apply, tolong practice tau. Okay, kena. Here I apply N berapa? Kalau sini 1, here you must apply 0. Understand? When I apply 0, C0, H2 times 0 plus 1 COOH. Kena? So ini cancel, ini cancel. So kamu akan dapat ini padam, ini padam. Okay, you got 1 H, right? So the formula of methanoic acid HCOOH. Okay, kalau kamu tengok di sini ini 1, this one also become 1. Any question? Sir, I still don't know because you the one doing. So, Ani, try to do this. Y'all do, eh? Ingat, carboxylic acid mesti tolak 1. Okay, siapa dah siap propanol? Angkat tangan. 1%. Okay, Nikki, give me the answer. You just read the answer. What is the formula of propanol?
Sir, propanol is C2H5OH.
C3H5
Yeah,
cannot. You see, this,
H6OH.
okay, here you put 3. This one you put 3. Okay, so you put your C3H will be 6 plus 1, how much? 7 OH. Okay, can I? Okay,
So
if
it's-
propanoic acid, you apply N berapa?
And will come to, sir.
N come 2 because you must remember you got 1 C, no. So C2H will be 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 COOH. When you count after that 3, 2 plus 1, 3 ready. Understand? All of you understand, eh? So this concept mesti hafal. Okay, kena. Okay, one more, dia punya oxidation punya equation kena hafal. Okay, oxidation punya equation, you take alcohol, you put this symbol, okay, you will get ni. So this is N1, this is N0. Okay, mesti ingat. Okay, so cara nak buat, saya buat satu. Propanol, when you get propanol, you write down what ni propanol undergo oxidation, you guys will get what? Propanoic acid. Plus, you must add water. You buat word form equation ni. Propanol means you apply N3. Mana kena apply CN, H2N plus 1 OH. Once you apply, C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7 OH. Put the symbol of oxidation. Dapat? Then you apply for propanoic acid. Propanoic acid, you apply N2. Mana kena apply CN, H2N plus 1 COOH. So you apply C2H will be 4 plus 1, 5 COOH plus water. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? No question, right? Nanti kita akan practice balik, eh. Okay, so after you do this, very simple. You balance the oxygen. Sini berapa oxygen? 1, 2, total 3. Here we have 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So what you all do here? You put 2 here. Tengok, 2. Itu saja. So everything balance. Okay, can you guys do for butanol? Check your answer. Butanol means N, you apply N4. Once you apply 4, C4, so I put here C4, H will be 8 tambah 1, 9, so H9, you take the OH, put here, you guys put, kalau you dah memorize, put 2 lah. Okay, can I? Okay, here N4, right? Here you must apply N3. Okay, N3, so you will get what acid? Butanol will give you butanoic acid. You must put water, H2O. Butanoic acid means you apply N3. Macam mana nak apply 3? C3. Nampak? Okay, H will be 6 plus 1, 7. Then you follow this, COOH plus H2O. Balance, just put 2 here. Siapa dapat jawapan macam ni? Tanya. Ada yang dapat tak? Amirul dapat tak?
Dapat.
Pandai. Okay, kalau dapat, Madhuri dapat. Okay, now I give you 2 minutes to answer this. I think isomerism tak boleh pergi hari ni lah. Isomerism you perlukan masa tau. Okay, but I will do one. Okay, 2 minutes, 3 minutes to do this question. Okay guys, tengok before I do, I give tips Bila you nampak benda ni, jangan takut tau. Cikgu tak ajar semua ke? Okay, macam tu Okay, bila you tengok alcohol, alcohol mesti ada satu O. Only one O. If you see the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH, it has one O. Okay, then carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid ada dua O. So if you see the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, got 2O. And ester, okay, also 2O. So bila you nampak 1O, this is belongs to alcohol. Understand? Okay, dalam exam dia akan cuba kelirukan kamu macam ni lah. Okay. So what you guys do here, this is N berapa? N2. What is the general formula of alcohol? Apply, get the formula. So bila you dapat macam ni, what you all do in the exam? You all just apply N2. Okay, saya bagi tips ni je lah. N2 CN H2N plus 1 OH. Then you padam benda ni. Tulis dia punya formula yang betul. So you will get C2H will be 4 plus 1, 5 OH. So what is the name of this alcohol? Then you carry on with the answer. Question. Okay, siapa dah siap angkat tangan? Okay, I give 1 more minute. Sam, can do ah? Sam,
Yes, sir.
can do ah?
Can second.
Okay, if you all cannot do, you do the simple one first. Okay, what is the homologous series of this compound? Bila you nampak this compound tadi ada macam ni kan? Bila nampak satu O saja, dapatkan first mark. This is alcohol. Okay, name the conversion ni ni semua nanti kita buat. Okay, chemical equation, state the condition, semua ni kita buat. Okay, so gambar. Okay, saya buat yang simple. Once I see this, I know the reaction is oxidation. So I put oxidation. Once I see sugar solution, the name of the reaction I know already. This is fermentation. Fermentation. Okay, kan Bila saya nampak alcohol, when you see alcohol, ada tiga reaction. Alcohol, DOC. Okay, number one, oxidation. This one, oxidation. Combustion. Combustion means you kena ada carbon dioxide and water. So, ini tak boleh. Oxidation, this one, oxidation. Another one is called dehydration. So, this reaction is called dehydration. So you guys already score another mark, 3 marks. Any question? Any question? No question Okay. So ini kan saya suruh kamu tukar compound ni kan. Bila you buat equation kena tukar compound ni, you must use the actual formula C2H5OH like this. Okay, write the first reaction. Reaction number 1, sugar solution, rice solution, pineapple or whatever. So ni sugar solution C6H12O6. So fermentation. So you guys put here C6H12O6 without oxygen C2H5OH plus carbon dioxide. Okay, dapat balance the equation. First you balance hydrogen. Hydrogen 12, letak 2 di sini. Hydrogen 6 plus 1, 6 times 2, 12. Dapat? Next, you guys balance carbon only. Carbon 6, carbon di sini 4, tambah 2, 6. So you guys already scored 2 marks. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, now I go for conversion number 2. Conversion number 2, okay, dehydration. Dehydration, you need Al2O3, porcelain chip. Porcelain chip, mesti kena hafal, porcelain chip. So what y'all do here, C2H5OH arrow, you guys put dehydration means removal of water. Just put water. So you remove water, HOH. Okay, remove only, buang. So macam mana nak buang? C2H5OH, y'all remove HOH, right? Ini cancel. So ini buang. So padam. Okay, can padam ready, right? So here you do what? C2H5 minus 1 will be 4. So you guys put here C2H4. Okay, eating gas. Ini semua padam. Okay, padam. So you guys already score 2 marks. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, now I go for ethanol. Okay, undergo oxidation. This one, orange solution turns to what color? Orange turns to green color. Okay, green color Okay, macam mana nak buat? Okay, so before you do like this. Ethanol. Ethanol, symbol of oxidation, arrow, you will get ethanoic acid plus water. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH. You guys put this symbol plus OA ni symbol. What is the formula of ethanol? Ethanol N2, right? Sini you apply N berapa? 1. Macam mana nak apply? CN H2N plus 1 COOH. Or if you already memorize the formula of ethanoic acid, okay, tak ada masalah lah. Or you apply 1 C1 H2 plus 1 3, okay, COOH plus water. Balance the oxygen. 2, 3 kan? So sini ni letak 2. So 2, 1, 3. Any question? You guys already score full mark. Any question? No question, eh? Okay, what is the condition required for fermentation process? This one is fermentation, right? So fermentation, you need what? Yeast. Okay, you need yeast. Yeast will produce what enzyme? Zymase enzyme. So you just letak yeast ataupun zymate. Condition number 2. Okay, reaction number 2, what you need? You need what? Al2O3, phosphorylin chip. Any question? Any question? Siapa dapat semua betul macam ni? Tanya. Okay, Tanya, can Okay, so far, any question? Okay, so next week, Wednesday. So next week will be Wednesday. We will try to ni. I will do Wednesday and Friday lah next week. I want to finish up chapter 2. So after school open, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Easy for me. Okay, can So try to go through all these. Okay, now your homework buat begini. Kita buat benda ni, lepas tu kita wrap up the session. Go to last page. Tengok Sir, I cannot memorize everything. So I want make it easier. You see the last page 34. Okay. So condition lah, catalyst lah, semua saya dah letak di sini. These are the 7 equation you must remember. Okay. So here you see chemical equation which required carbon 2. So that means saya nak ambil N2. Hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means you ambil alkene, okay, tambah hydrogen gas. Alkene CnH2n, right? So saya ambil C2H4 plus hydrogen gas. What you guys will get? C2H will be tambah ini, you will get 6. Okay. So this is hydrogenation process. In this process, what is the name of the condition? Condition required. What is the name of the catalyst needed? You can use nickel or platinum, temperature 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, can Okay, number 2. Okay, all of you understand? First reaction understand ready, right? Kita buat sampai 4. The rest we do later. Okay, hydration. Hydration means you take alkene reacted with steam, water. Okay, we take 2, C2H4 reacted with steam. You guys will get what? Take out H, take out OH, put here C2H5OH. You guys will get alcohol. Okay, can ini tambah sinilah 5. Dapat? In this reaction, what is the condition required? Concentrated phosphoric acid. Okay, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Mesti hafal. Any question? No question. Can Okay, number 3. Halogenation, no condition. But this is very famous. Selalu keluar dalam exam. Observation lah, for this observation lah. Kita ambil satu. Okay, C2H4. Okay, ethene gas, right? This one always they ask you to describe the test for alkene. The test for alkene. Okay, kan tadi saya ada buat satu soalan kan? So, ni ethene, okay, reacted with bromine, brown color solution. Very simple equation. C2H4, you take the Br2, put here. What is your observation during the test? Brown solution turns to what color? Colorless. Semua ni kena ingat. And this is the test. Kalau dia minta test untuk alkene, you buat macam ni lah. Okay, last one before we wrap up the session. Okay, fermentation is a laboratory method to prepare what? To prepare alcohol. Okay, alcohol. In fermentation, you guys do what? You guys take C6H12O6, no oxygen. You will get C2H5OH, C2H5OH, ethanol. C2H5OH plus carbon dioxide. Any question? How to balance the equation? Saya dah ulang banyak kali, saya ulang balik. Hydrogen 12, 5 plus 1, 6. So you make it 2 here. Hydrogen sudah balance. Any question? Then you balance carbon. Carbon 6, 4 plus 22, 6. Okay. Oxygen tak payah. Dia akan balance sendiri. Okay. Any question? Okay. In this Condoni reaction, we need yeast. And yeast will produce zymase enzyme. So kita dah hafal 4. You tak boleh hafal semua, hafal 7 ni. Ini yang akan balik-balik akan keluar dalam exam. Any question? Okay, so that's all for today. Kita jumpa next Wednesday, 11 a.m. Take care, bye semua.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you very much, sir.
Okay, bye, Erwin.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Afika, okay are you?
Okay, sir.
How's your holiday? Wait, Amma, wait. Hey, wait lah, you don't go lah. I want to talk to you. Wait, I stop recording first. Okay, wait.